Hi, so in this video, I am going to show you what all other courses we have, and this is the Academy's page. So this Academy, by this Academy, I am going to launch a multiple number of courses that those each of them is going to give you a altogether different type of experience, and trust me, those are going to be I'm not going to say that it is going to be pretty much enough, but yeah, I mean those are going to be the boilerplates to get you a good job or work as a freelancer or independent software developer. The Academy is also very much committed at releasing 2 courses per month so that people can actually learn more number of courses as time more, and obviously with diversity. So I'm just going to list out the courses as of now. Okay, by the way, this academy also focuses on mainly like these other topics like data science, bots, blockchain, and in terms of programming languages, it's going to be C++ and Python. So these are the my focus area which I really want to sort of go deep, and I want to dive deep, and I want to just bring out those contents which are probably not available on the internet. So this is the first course one can actually start with. Okay, so the Python, automate Excel using Python. So you can actually automate a lot of Excel works using Python scripts, and that is going to make your life much more easier, because earlier we had an option of, I mean, we didn't have an option, rather we had to sort of go towards VBA script, but I personally don't think that that is a good choice in terms of future. uh, so that is why Python is going to be the course for everyone, and trust me, it is going to give you a lot of experience. So this is the series 1. Now coming to the series 2. Series 2 is going to be little more, it's modernly focused because it is released in 2020, and so my focus has always been to give altogether a different experience. Now question comes that why I can't really update the series 1. Reason being because this series 1 teaches you the fundamentals. Okay, so for example, if you want to sort of plot any charts, then you are going to do it using matplotlib in the beginning, but later on I found that yeah, plotly is the library plot library, which I'm going to take it to using in case of Python. And also I'm going to show you the examples related to data science when I'm going to show you courses related to C++. So it is a completely like new content, okay, and fresh content. Okay, already 14 students have enrolled so far, and this was from last year, so 94 students have enrolled, okay, so far, and counting. So I'm just going to show you the third course, which was again released very fresh. So this is actually Learn Professional C++, Introduction to Boost C++ Libraries. This course is going to give you an enlightenment on C++, but this is not the standard library. Then the question is, why Boost C++? Well, the Boost C++, because a lot of the standard libraries have been inspired from Boost C++ libraries. In fact, for your information, in case of STL, the standard template library, which we like call, those all the functions, algorithms, and iterators have been inspired from Boost.algorithms and Boost.iterators respectively. So that is why any C++ programmer should actually dive into or look at the possibilities of making your code better using Boost C++. So this is an endeavor towards that, and it is more than 7.5 hours content, and it has been focused in order to make someone who is like going to be sort of going to make C++ as their primary career. So that is why this is an endeavor towards that. Okay, there is not going to be any such course named learn professional C++ with the same introduction to Boost C++ libraries and series 2. There's not going to be any such content. So this content is going to increase in the future. So of course with Udemy you are going to have it for full lifetime access. So there is no problem in that, and I will be adding more and more content as time passes. So this is the third course. The fourth course is learn professional C++ using custom libraries. What do I mean by custom libraries? Well, there are many such good libraries which many people do not use, but it is very much essential to know some of them. Okay, like pprint is one. Using cout, which is the standard method of printing, you can probably, you can't probably print a vector directly. You literally have to run it inside a for loop, and then you have to print for or any sort of loop method, be it while loop as well. So pprint directly preprints those vectors. Okay, so this is the major advantage with pprint. Okay, and same with magic enum. Normally with enum we cannot print the item's name. Let's say under color there's red, blue, green. So we can print the value of red, but not the items, basically the red, green, blue. So those can also be taken as a sequence container. So all this have been discussed in a lot of detail, so you can actually go there. Third, anyone having interest in functional programming, using maths and all. Okay, so this result library is going to be very much fruitful for them, because it is going to give you the liberty to create a function with custom error message, and if there is no error, then the output is going to be printed. Okay, so that is what it really focuses on. And there are a couple of examples as well, like the solve a quadratic equation as of now, and there are going to be plenty of examples and contents with time. So this is a 4-hour course, and you can actually learn a lot, trust me, using both these C++ courses as of now, and obviously I'm going to add more in the later times. Okay, so like object oriented programming, data science using C++, these are the futures which I really want to conclude with, that this is not the end. Data science using C++, and then object oriented programming, functional programming, how to use databases in C++. So all these contents are waiting in the line. So yes, thank you, and see you in the next video.